Most people handle their money like a game of hide and seek. They look at their bank account on Monday and think, I'm rich. By Friday, they're looking at the same account wondering who robbed them. Spoiler alert, you robbed yourself. Usually, people tell you to use a complex spreadsheet, but let's be real. Spreadsheets are where dreams go to die. They're boring, they're confusing, and you'll quit using them after 3 days. You don't need a math degree to stay rich. You just need 3 buckets. This is the 50-30-20 rule. It is the simplest protocol for managing your cash without losing your mind. Welcome to the club. Here is the deal. Take all the money that hits your account after taxes. Imagine 3 buckets in front of you. 50% is for your needs, 30% is for your wants, 20% is for your future. That is the whole secret. If you make $2,000 a month, you have $1,000 for survival, $600 for fun, and $400 for your getting rich fund. It's so simple a golden retriever could do it. But we humans love to lie to ourselves, so let's define the buckets. The first 50% is for your needs. These are the things that keep you alive and out of jail. Rent, groceries, electricity, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Here's the truth. Electricity is a need. A 500-channel TV package is a want. A car to get to work is a need. A car that makes you look like a movie star is a want. If your basic bills take up 80% of your money, you aren't budgeting wrong. You're just living a life you can't afford yet. The 50% rule is your wake-up call to simplify your infrastructure. Next is the 30% bucket, your wants. Most experts want you to be miserable. They say, don't buy coffee, sit in the dark, and eat cold beans. We don't do that here. That's the path to a midlife crisis. The 30% bucket is for your life. Netflix, dinners with friends, and that overpriced coffee. The rule is, if the money's in this bucket, you can spend it. No guilt. But once that bucket is empty, the party is over. You wait until next month. No cheating. Finally, the most important part, the 20% for your future. This isn't extra money. This is the money you use to buy your freedom. Use it to kill credit card debt or invest in the stock market. Think of this 20% as a wall you're building around your life. Every dollar is another brick. Eventually, the wall is so high that no boss and no bad luck can ever get to you. If you don't pay this 20% to yourself first, you're just a middleman passing money from your boss to the grocery store. Take your cut first. Why does this work better than a spreadsheet? Because your brain is lazy. A spreadsheet asks you to make 100 decisions a day. The 50-30-20 rule only asks one. Is there money in the bucket? It's a guardrail that keeps you on the road without having to think about every turn of the wheel. The secret to being rich is being lazy. Set up 3 bank accounts: needs, wants, and future. When your paycheck lands, move the money automatically. Your wants money goes to a car you spend freely. Your future money disappears into investments before you can touch it. When you automate, you stop fighting your impulses and start owning your future. Money isn't about math, it's about systems. The 50-30-20 rule lets you survive, have fun, and get wealthy at the same time. Now, a mission. Open your bank app, look at your last paycheck. Is your needs bucket over 50%? If it is, don't panic. Just acknowledge it. That is step 1 to taking control. If this helped, hit the like button so the algorithm knows financial clarity matters. If you want to build your fortress, subscribe to DollarDoodle and hit the bell. We're building an archive of the world's most powerful financial protocols. Check the description for the toolkit to start your audit. Ownership is the only escape.